Hello there and welcome into this course. Now in this lecture, I'm going to show you just a little bit of what Pictory or the good job that Pictory does when it comes to captioning the video, except for, as you can see right here, it has added a watermark that says video made with Pictory AI, but that's not a problem. Since if you want to really use Pictory for serious business, if you want to remove the watermark, then you have to go for the pro plan. There is no option, right? Now, it's not because I'm trying to get you to buy or anything. You can actually keep the video all the same without captions if you'd like. But it's up to you. If you want to add captions using this way, which is automatic and doesn't take much time from you, you can do it. As you can see here, the captions are added, and that's pretty beautiful. They go very well with the video, with the colors of the channel and all of that. So this is really good stuff. And as you can see, it also adds a layer of creativity to the video. And as you can see, it also adds a layer of creativity to the video. So right now, we're going to go ahead and add the first video onto YouTube, and then we'll basically upload the YouTube short. Now, the first video will not take us that much time. So we'll only have to click here on Import Video, and then you can basically start the process of creating your video. It's very simple. So if you click right here on Create, you click Upload Video, and then very simply, you can upload your video. So go ahead and upload it. Now the video is getting uploaded. Now we can go back to ChatGPT. And since ChatGPT knows what the video that we're going to create is about, we can just simply ask it, generate a title for the YouTube video, a description, and some tags to get it viral. Now, because it knows, because we are on the same chat in which we asked it to generate basically this particular script for the video. So it knows what video we're creating and what it is about. So it's going to give us a title. So the title is Unveiling the Dark Mystery, Sauron and the One Ring's Hidden Power. That's a good title. So I'm going to add it here, except for let's just remove the first brackets. And then we'll go back to ChatGPT to take the description, which is basically just a description. So, and also let's just go ahead and take the tags as well and place them in the description. And then we're going to ask it to generate some tags that we will place right at the bottom as well. Now here, let's just remove this part that says tags. And then we'll go back to ChatGPT and ask it, write tags in one line, and they should be separated with a comma, and they should be keywords that most people or most fans of the Lord of the Rings would use to search for our channel. Now, if I hit the enter button right now, it's going to proceed by basically writing the tags that we desire. And now here, I'm going to pause. I'm going to say, don't add a hashtag. Just write the tag purely without the hashtag. Okay, so I just mistakenly didn't write the hashtag correctly there, but right now, as you can see, it has basically understood what I said and it wrote everything. So I'm going to say, write more, and please, these hashtags are people's keywords, and the keywords should be separate. Right. So sometimes ChatGPT can be quite dumb, I would say, but you have to continuously prompt it to refine its answer. So here, as you can see, Lord of the Rings, Lothar, Middle Earth, Sauron, the Ring. All right, this is better, much better. Okay, and these keywords are really good because most people are actually looking for those things. So if I scroll down here, the YouTube thumbnail, let's upload the YouTube thumbnail by clicking here, gain access to use the feature, now close. I'm going to click upload. All right. So it seems that until I verify my channel, I would not be able to add the thumbnail, but it's not a problem. I can do that later. So make sure you verify your channels first by adding your phone numbers and stuff. That's what YouTube requires. So if I click show more here, they should be able to show me the tags. And I think if I just click and paste the tags right here, they should be fine. And select the video language if you want. I'm just going to select it at English, recording date or video location. It's not really necessary stuff. I'm just going to go for video languages English because it's not any other language. So English, and then the video has no location. We didn't, quite frankly, record it. And the comment moderation, just keep it on because you want people to interact with you. Now click next, next. And then here you can basically publish this as public, and basically click publish, and it will take some time for the video to be published, but it will eventually get published. You can share it on Facebook, Twitter, whatever social media channel you want to share it at, so that you can grow some traffic, get some decent traffic. Try to get as much as 1,000 people to visit it in the first week. And you can do it by going to forums, by going to, there's all kinds of social channels out there on Facebook. There's a lot of Facebook groups for the Lord of the Rings fans. There's a lot of Reddit groups for the Lord of the Rings fans and Quora spaces. You can start to just go to forums and groups and share your stuff there. And even think about running a YouTube ad for your video on a low budget so that you can get some traction. And I think if you have $100, from my experience actually as a digital marketing agency owner, $100 can get you 10,000 viewers, at least 10,000 viewers, at least. That's the least it can get you. And so what we're going to do right now is going to post the second video accordingly, or the same way. So I'm gonna go back to the very first message that I sent to ChatGPT. And then right here, I'm going to go and edit this prompt, right? Because this is where we talked about the short. And I'm going to say, write a description, a title and description and tags for the YouTube short. Make sure the tags are separated by a comma, and don't use hashtags. And then if I click save and submit, it's going to start the process. And then go back to your channel. Again, click create, upload a video. Then you upload the short video just like we uploaded this one. So basically, I'm just going to go ahead and just add the video. So if I go Blue Wizard intro, it's supposed to be YouTube short. There it is. If you upload it, YouTube will know immediately it's a YouTube short. So basically, they will really not ask you for a thumbnail because they'll understand the format of the video is a YouTube short. As you can see, there it is. The suggested hashtags here, I can add all of these. I can even add mine, Sauron, Tolkien lore. Right. Actually, let me just remove one. Just keep those two. The mystery, Bilbo, right. D should be with a capital T. And then we can just scroll down. It's not made for kids. And then next. And then finally, next thing you know, you can just basically add this immediately. They will check against copyright. You can just click publish. And now we have both videos published. And so we have basically done everything. So now you don't have anything else left to do. Go ahead and make sure you create some more videos. You can also share your feedback with us and let us know if you have created the channel. Obviously, this is the purpose of this course, is to get you to create a channel that you can later on, after working on it, maybe for 1, 2, 3 months working hard on it, you can monetize it. And trust me, these channels really do get some traffic. It will take time for you to build these channels up, but the whole concept of YouTube automation is a very possible business model, and you can absolutely do it if you're committed. And if you at least publish 1 or 2 videos a day, quality videos that are done, you do your research really, really well. You invest your time in going into social channels and interacting with people, getting people into your link to watch your video, even go as far as investing into some ads on low budget. Like I said, with $100, you can easily get 10,000 viewers on YouTube. You can easily do that. And it doesn't take more than 1 hour to set the ad. Now, some people might do it for $200, but those people, they just don't know how to target the right way. But according to my experience, I can definitely, and I did it as many times as you can imagine. I did it many times that I'm confident that with $100, you can get 10,000 views for a video on YouTube. So that's that. I'll part from you. This is the end of this particular course, and I hope that you've enjoyed it. Ask all your questions in the Q&A section. You can also message us directly. And we're wishing you the best at Passive Income Gen Z and signing out.